Hi everyone, this is Samir. Welcome to Cyberzone, and today we're going to talk about what is a computer program. Um, a computer program, in a just definition sense, is a set of instructions that are written for a computer, and it is written in a like human readable format at first, and in languages, like there are languages where you write program in, like C++, uh, Python, PHP. So there are like around like even more than 1,500 languages. I think even more than that, could be a 2,000. Yeah, so that's last time I checked it was around 1,500. So there are a lot of programming languages that you can program in, and but then the computer does not really understand other languages that we like, let's say C or PHP or any other language, but then it only understands the machine language, which is the binary form of 0 and 1. And but then humans have very hard time coding in 0 and 1, so just numbers. So that's why the machine level code is 0 and 1 binary. Then there's assembly, and in assembly you can still code, but then it's like in a hexadecimal format, still unreadable, a bit shorter, and has things you can use, like short hex code to determine the like set of instruction of 0 and 1, let's say a length of 0 and 1. So there are like pseudo codes and acronyms for that, and from there you can go one step ahead, and then this C or any other programming language that is let's say higher level language, where it's like human readable form in C or PHP or Python, Java, whatever you use. So that's the level that we humans write code in. So of course, so yeah, it's a computer program, right? So then who writes a computer program? The next question is that. So that is like a computer programmer writes a computer program. Yeah, easy, right? Yeah, so the computer programmer is a person who knows how to write, let's say, a higher level language like C or PHP, and then the person who knows how to write code in, let's say, C or PHP, they write a computer program using the set of rules given by the language, and then that is compiled or interpreted in case of PHP. For C, it's a compiled language, and PHP is interpreted language. So I'll be explaining about those differences in the next video. For now, you can understand that our code is written, and then it's compiled by the machine, and then it's executed and run, and you can see the software that was created, the set of instruction as a software. So alright, yeah, collection of computer programs, they make up a library, and then library and computer programs mixed, they make a software. So that's the bigger part, that what we see in our daily life. So yeah, this was a short introduction on computer program. What is a computer program? So I'll be coming on the next episode with a new video, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.